As we walked along the quiet country lane towards Balmoral Cottage, I really had no idea what to expect. Set in the sleepy Kent countryside in southern England, we were really privileged to be touring this private garden. The owner, Charlotte Molesworth, was waiting at the gate to greet us and later serve us afternoon tea. The whole garden was an absolute delight. Like something out of Alice in Wonderland. When Charlotte and her husband bought the plot, it was derelict and a blank canvas. However, it was on part of a larger estate that had previously been owned by the Victorian plant hunter Collingwood Cherry Ingram, the Englishman who saved Japan's cherry blossoms. The soil had thus been planted and improved over many years. Charlotte had no formal training, but her parents had been farmers and keen gardeners. The couple began to plant seedlings given to them as gifts or found on walks in the nearby countryside. This romantic, wildlife-friendly garden now boasts beautiful mixed borders, a vegetable garden, wildflower meadow and pond, all framed by impressive yew and box topiary. The garden is organically managed and particular attention is paid to the needs of nesting birds and small mammals. Charlotte now designs and occasionally helps to trim topiary for other estates and gardens.